Okay, as an early finisher assignment this week, I thought it would be kind of fun to work with some creepy images since it's October and Halloween's coming up and we've got 1 week left of school until fall break. So I've got a packet for you to flip through of black and white images, and your goal is to try and draw one of these images on black paper using a white colored pencil. So I'm gonna let you trace what's called the contour lines to get a start. So you're gonna take a piece of transparency paper or tracing paper, and you're gonna set that over the top of the photo, and then you're gonna trace the contour lines or the outside edge of the facial features, the edge of the hair, the edge of the chin, the eyes, nose, mouth. And you have to do this in pencil, and you want to push pretty hard when you're drawing the contour lines. So when you finish, it's basically going to look like a cartoon drawing. And that's called the contours. And I might make up the rest of her neckline. Okay, so when I put that on top of some white paper, now you can see what the contour lines were. So now what I need to do is turn this over, and I'm going to draw those lines again. I want pencil on both sides of my tracing paper. All right. So I'm going to let you start with tracing paper to make a transfer onto your black paper. So I'm going to put that back in the position of the way I traced that. And then there's pencil on both sides. So now I'm going to line this up on my black paper. And it looks kind of funny to have floating shoulders. So I might move this to the bottom of the black paper. I'll take this way. All right, now I'm going to draw these lines again. And this time when I draw, the pencil is going to come off the back side of the tracing paper, and it's going to leave a light mark on the surface of the black construction paper, and those are your contour lines. So I'm going to let you trace the beginning of this drawing. It's going to be really faint, but it should be, you should be able to see those contour lines when you get up close to look at it. So from here, now you're going to be using a white colored pencil to start to fill in the white that you see in the photograph. So I'm going to look at this photo. And using a white colored pencil, I'm going to start to color in the white pieces that I see in the photo. So in this one, her hair is white along the edge. So I'm going to start to shade in the white, bright highlight areas. The harder I press, the whiter it's going to become. The softer I press, the more gray it's going to look. You could also switch to a gray color pencil if you want to get a gray tone. And she's got kind of these wavy lines where her hair Add some direction to it. Okay, I see that there's some gray right here where there's a shadow on her face, so I'm going to leave some of the black paper showing. But I see right along her cheekbone, it's got a really bright reflection. And kind of the edge of her chin has that white line. And over on this side, it's got that really bright reflection. So anywhere there's black in the photo, I need to leave the black of the paper so that her lips are going to stay black. I'm going to outline around them. There's a little bit of highlight kind of in the middle. And I'm going to start to shade in the lighter gray on her chin. So this assignment is just to experiment using black paper and white pencil. This is just for fun. This is what early finishers are going to try in their free time. This is just to get us through this week. I would like you to try and finish it in its completion. And then if you have more time, then go back and pick a different image to work with. This is really just kind of a participation grade, but I do want you to give your best effort as you attempt to draw these white pencil drawings on black paper.